Right? I'm going to make use of the product rule. Because this is a proving question, I'm going to prove on the left hand side to the right hand side. Simplify the expression if needed. Differentiate the first, keep the second, plus differentiate the second, keep the first. Alright? After that, we do our normal factorization. Take out the one with the smaller power. Alright? If there are some other constant number that is common, please take it out as well. Alright? Can? I didn't do anything special. Use of product rule. Please tell yourself, even if you get the wrong answer, you just make use of the answer over here. Okay, now, regardless whether you can get this answer or not, can everyone focus on the whiteboard over here? Because this is what I want to introduce today. Alright, there will be this question during exam where they will always ask you to differentiate, and then suddenly with the result they will ask you to do an integration again. Now, the thing is, can I integrate this by myself? Do you think it's possible? Why not? Okay, there's an x term on top, there's an x term below. Am I right? There is no way we can put it as a linear function in one simple term. And there's no such thing as a quotient rule for integration. Alright? Because of the word hence, you must tell yourself, die, we use the result over here. Agree? Because of the word hence. So, please tell yourself, write down the question. Write down the results. Okay? Write down, okay, I'll write it side by side so you can see clearer. But are they the same? What's the difference? Okay, this is a 6x. This is a 12x. Do you think you can change the question over here? Like what we did yesterday, I said, can we change the question? We can't change the question. But we can change what we want to do over here. But the thing is, you must tell yourself, whenever I integrate this value, straight away I get this answer. All agree? Because when you differentiate, you get this value. But now I want to integrate this, straight away I get this answer. So please tell yourself, I cannot change the 12x. You cannot just go and erase and put a 6x over here and be very happy just because they look the same. No. You must still use that result over there. Now, the thing is, you must introduce some constant over here such that these two will equate to each other. What is the main difference between 6x and 12x? 2 times the difference. Am I right? So if it's 2 times the difference, let me give it a try. Oh, this is 2 times the difference. Should I write a 2 over here? If you realize, if I put a 2 over here, 2 times 12, what do I get? I actually get 24. It's still not going to be 6x. So I need to introduce a constant over here such that you multiply by 12x, I will get back 6x. Make a good guess. What would that number be? Okay? If you cannot multiply by 2, you must tell yourself you multiply by half. You will want to divide 12x by 2. But you don't write divide, you write as multiply by half. Can see that? I would like my 12x to be divided divided by 2 to get 6x. But I don't write divide by 2. I write multiply by half as a multiple. Remember we did this earlier on at the start of the day? Will a half down here affect your answer? No. Your normal integration continue. Cheryl, agree? But the half you just continue writing. And if you can understand this concept, I'm telling you, these 3 marks is give to you one. By writing this half, you get 1 mark. What's the next step you think I will write? I will continue to write the half. Now, I close my eyes, I use my buttock and think. When I integrate this one, do I need to crack my brain now? What do I do? Refer back to the result over here. Just copy this answer. Because we are doing reverse integration. Holy shit, it's so easy. But the difficult part is the value over here. Okay, so we need to get comfortable with what is the value we need to put down here so that it's equal to the question that I want. Now, can we continue? Very straightforward, right? Very simple. Please substitute your upper limit inside. So if I substitute my upper limit 4 times 2 plus 5, 30. Substitute inside 16 minus 5, square root 11. Okay, that's when you substitute the upper limit inside. Correct? Minus, substitute the lower limit inside. What do I get? 2 times 2, 4, you have 9. This will be 8 minus 5, right? Square root. Can you read your answer this way? No. Read the question carefully. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Can I give you 5 seconds to press the answer now? This step is worth 1 mark. This step, no need. Just use your buttock and write this answer, another mark. Another answer. Okay, good question. Joel asked, the proving cannot put the LHS and RHS. Will you be penalized if I don't put these 2? You won't be penalized. I just want to make the presentation and tell the master when I'm starting, that's all. Okay? Likewise for your proving of identity. If you really don't write LHS, RHS, I really cannot penalize you, so long your working is very clear. Alright? So now, what's the value over here? Cheryl? 7.27. 27 point. $13.76. Does everyone get 13.76?